Alright, so I just picked this Scag blower up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to try and fix it, but I bought it so I could pull the motor and throw it in another blower. Because this impeller's kind of mangled, if you can see it. It's got weld cracks. You can see probably that a little better. There's 3 fins. So it's this one, and this one. They all cracked. So I'm gonna try and weld it back together. If not, I'm just gonna pull the motor. It's a Honda GX 390, my favorite, and put it in another one that I have a perfectly fine impeller and everything for. So let's see what happens. Alright, so I was trying to pull it off, but it just wasn't happening. I sheared off 2 bolts. So what I believe you do is you put your screws, your bolts in, and then as this goes in, it pulls this coupler out. But it just wasn't doing that. Yeah, I sheared 2 grade 8 bolts. I tried putting nuts on the other side and pushing them through. I had my puller on it. Nothing was happening. So the original problem was that this fin had cracked in like 3 different locations, and it was rubbing on the back side, if you see here. So all I ended up doing was I just re-welded it. I got so frustrated, I just said, all right, I'm done. And I just said, I'm just gonna weld it and see what happens. And that's what I did. And it held. So this one, I was able to do that trick. I sent my bolts through and pulled it right off, and the impeller's right here. So you put your bolts through and it pushes on that, and here's your coupler. So this long bolt right here went through and pushed while this was threaded and pulled it right out. I had the taps out, I was trying to do everything. But she's up and running now. So I just gotta play with that one. But let's finish the video about this. Alright, so I fixed her up. As you can see, all I did was just put a little twirl in that cable. It's like a throttle cable, but it's not. And I drilled a hole through it. Now, you can adjust it. So there's really nothing else to do to this one. Got the cover on it. And the motor runs great. Motor runs great. Pressure washed it. So yeah, all I had to do was weld that back together. That fan, and thing runs like a top. Not even gonna play with it. Just gonna sell it. All right, thanks.